Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to our online class where learning is creative. Today we are going to learn about profile. That is how to write a profile. These are the pictures of some of the famous authors or writers. You must have written the profiles of these authors. Usually in question papers, you will be getting the hints of the author. And from that, you have to create the profile. Right, kids? Yes. Now let's learn what is a profile. Profile is a short description of someone's life, work, character, etc. In short, it is a collection of information about a person. Now let's see how we are going to prepare a profile. Let's get an example of one of the profile of Gandhi. Okay, first you have to write the title or name of the author in the middle or the center. So here I am taking the example of Mahatma Gandhi. So I am going to write the name of Mahatma Gandhi at the center. Then you have to give a small introduction. You can create your own introduction. Clear? So here I have created an introduction for you. Every life on earth blooms with a grace and each one is unique. Okay? Now my second sentence starts with a name. Usually we get a name for the profile. So here my name is Gandhiji. The name of our writer is or was. That is, he is not alive today. So it is was Mahatma Gandhi, right? Then we will write about the birth. That is, he was born on. Birth will change into was born. And on is used before the dates and days. And in is used before months and years. At is used before some small towns and in before large cities. So here we can write the sentence like this. He was born, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Instead of Mahatma Gandhi, we are using a pronoun. He was born on 2nd October 1969 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Clear? Now moving on to the next point, nationality. So when we get a nationality, you can use either she or he, then is or was as usual, and dash in nationality. Here we can say Gandhiji is a male, so we are writing he was of Indian in nationality. Then we will get the hints like famous or known. So we can write he was known as Bapuji or Mahatma. Okay, we can use, if he is alive, we will use is. If he is not alive, so we are using what he was known as, Bapuji or Mahatma. Okay. Then we have hints like education. Education. There also we have to check whether it is he or she. Had education or completed education. Like, for example, here we can say that Gandhiji or he had his education in Ahamedhabad or he had his high school education in Ahamedhabad. Clear? Or he has completed his high school education in Ahamedabad. Okay. Then another hint is occupation. There also you can use either he or she or is or was. Like for example, it's a male here, so we are using he. He was a lawyer by occupation, or he was a lawyer, politician, activist and writer by occupation. Clear, kids? And in some cases we have books or works. So here we can use the pronoun his or her. His books are or her books are. Here it is Gandhiji, so he is a male, so we are using his. His books are Hind Swaraj, the story of my experiments with truth, and prayer. Okay. Then we have other hints like awards. There also you can either use, you have to decide whether it is a male or female. After that you can use the pronouns like he or she. Here we are using he. He got or achieved or bagged. You can use he got awards like these, or he have achieved awards like this, or he has bagged some awards. Okay. Here we know that Gandhi ji has not got any awards, so I am not indicating the things here. Then moving on, last hint, that is death. There also you can use either he or she, or died or passed away. So here it is a male, he is a male, so we are using he died on 30th January 1948. Clear? And after that we are giving a small conclusion. As we have given a small introduction, likewise we are going to give a small conclusion. You can have your own conclusions and your own introductions. Okay, here also I am giving a small example of a conclusion. Example, every life has its end, but teaches how to live. I hope you have understood how to write a profile. Then prepare a profile of Rosa Parks with the given hints. Okay. Have you finished, kids? Now check your answers. So I have given us a small introduction there. You can see it in a blue line. Each life on earth blooms with a grace and each one is unique. And my second line starts with the name of our author. I have used was because Rosa Parks is not alive today. Then I have written about that she was born in 1913. She was born in 1913. There I have used she as a pronoun of that person's name. Was born in and in before the years. Then I have written she was known as, again, as the first lady of civil rights and mother of freedom movement. And her birthday I have used is because still now we are celebrating her birthday, or Americans are celebrating her birthday. So we are using is there. Then on 4th February, because we are using on before the dates. Clear? Okay. Then she was arrested in December. So we are using in for month and year. So for we have used before December in December 1st. Then she died in, again 2005 is an year. So we are using in there. At last we are again giving a small conclusion. Every life has an end but teaches how to live. I hope you have understood this profile well. Don't you think it is easy to write a profile? If so, then do this activity as an homework. Prepare a profile of Ruskin Bond using the given hints. So for time being, it's goodbye from me. Thank you.